So basically my favorite snack of all times is Blizzards from Dairy Queen, but sometimes you can't have a Blizzard from Dairy Queen all the time because you don't have a Dairy Queen near you. So, Trusted Thermomix. Ooh, unexpected shutdown. Don't tell Kaoma. This is the Blizzard substitute. There's my ice cream. I have my Reese Cups, and the only way that's even worth making ice cream is M&M's, which are in there. Reese Cups, right there, and Oreos. We're gonna stick them in the machine and see how it does. Now that the ice cream machine is full, put the lid on. You can trick it if you just push your finger right there, but that's not supposed to do that. Anyway, alright, so you do that. Put the lid on tight. Now I'm going to show you how it works. We're ready. Okay, we have to pick this thing straight up because that's the Thermomix rule. We are ready for the big reveal. This is my favorite part. Oh my gosh, a homemade Blizzard. Shut up, M&M's, Reese Cups, and Oreo. Woo! Oh, we did it. Ladies and gentlemen of the audience. Me and Slake are going to have the best night. And then Kaoma's going to get home. We're going to have to go back to the broccoli diet, which is not as good as the ice cream diet, but okay. Alright, see you guys. Thermomix is the best. Truth brings, I'll take one lift. You're right. Best trip.